Every word plays a role. Each part of speech adds meaning. With colors, examples, and vivid scenes, this lesson makes grammar clear, visual, and fun. Let's turn ordinary lines into moments of discovery. Noun. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. It gives identity to what surrounds us, like teacher, garden, mountain, or dream. Verb. A verb shows action or a state of being. It gives motion to our stories, like jump, think, become, or glow. Article. An article introduces a noun, telling us if it's general or specific. Think of a, an, and the. Small words with a clear purpose. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun, adding color, size, feeling, or shape. It paints detail into language, like bright, tiny, joyful, or smooth. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, when, where, or how much. Like slowly, kindly, often, or completely. Listen and repeat. The child laughs.
The child laughs.
She runs quickly.
She runs quickly.
He found a coin.
He found a coin.
They saw a tall tower.
They saw a tall tower.
He speaks softly.
He speaks softly.
The moon glows.
The moon glows.
She walks carefully.
She walks carefully.
I see a butterfly.
I see a butterfly.
He wears a green jacket.
He wears a green jacket.
We play indoors.
We play indoors.
The bell rings.
The bell rings.
He eats quietly.
He eats quietly.
She has a notebook.
She has a notebook.
They enjoy warm soup.
They enjoy warm soup.
I write daily.
I write daily.
The kitten sleeps.
The kitten sleeps.
She sings gently.
She sings gently.
He bought a camera.
He bought a camera.
We saw a high bridge.
We saw a high bridge.
I speak calmly.
I speak calmly.
The baby smiles.
The baby smiles.
He drives fast.
He drives fast.
She found a bracelet.
She found a bracelet.
They live in a cozy cabin.
They live in a cozy cabin.
I listen closely.
I listen closely.
The artist paints.
The artist paints.
He runs every evening.
He runs every evening.
She brought a flower.
She brought a flower.
We met a kind nurse.
We met a kind nurse.
I read slowly.
I read slowly.
The bird sings.
The bird sings.
She cooks carefully.
She cooks carefully.
He lost his wallet.
He lost his wallet.
They saw a huge balloon.
They saw a huge balloon.
I learn quickly.
I learn quickly.
The baby cries.
The baby cries.
He jumps high.
He jumps high.
She opened the window.
She opened the window.
We saw a blue bicycle.
We saw a blue bicycle.
I speak softly.
I speak softly.
The dog barks.
The dog barks.
She swims fast.
She swims fast.
He found a letter.
He found a letter.
They saw a happy friend.
They saw a happy friend.
I listen quietly.
I listen quietly.
The girl laughs.
The girl laughs.
He walks slowly.
He walks slowly.
She bought a ring.
She bought a ring.
We saw a tall statue.
We saw a tall statue.
I write neatly.
I write neatly.
The baby sleeps.
The baby sleeps.
She reads calmly.
She reads calmly.
He found a photo.
He found a photo.
They saw a small boat.
They saw a small boat.
I speak clearly.
I speak clearly.
The man smiles.
The man smiles.
She writes quickly.
She writes quickly.
He bought a phone.
He bought a phone.
We saw a red kite.
We saw a red kite.
I listen carefully.
I listen carefully.
The woman sings.
The woman sings.
She walks quickly.
She walks quickly.
He has a bag.
He has a bag.
They saw a large house.
They saw a large house.
I learn easily.
I learn easily.
The boy runs.
The boy runs.
She eats slowly.
She eats slowly.
He found a key.
He found a key.
We saw a green leaf.
We saw a green leaf.
I speak clearly.
I speak clearly.
The girl smiles.
The girl smiles.
She dances gracefully.
She dances gracefully.
He has a book.
He has a book.
They saw a playful puppy.
They saw a playful puppy.
I write neatly.
I write neatly.
The student studies.
The student studies.
She reads aloud.
She reads aloud.
He bought a journal.
He bought a journal.
We saw a bright room.
We saw a bright room.
I listen quietly.
I listen quietly.
The teacher explains.
The teacher explains.
She walks fast.
She walks fast.
He found a chair.
He found a chair.
They saw a large classroom.
They saw a large classroom.
I speak softly.
I speak softly.
The baby cries.
The baby cries.
She sings beautifully.
She sings beautifully.
He has a toy.
He has a toy.
We saw a shining star.
We saw a shining star.
I learn quickly.
I learn quickly.
The cat sleeps.
The cat sleeps.
She runs fast.
She runs fast.
He bought a jacket.
He bought a jacket.
They saw a long bridge.
They saw a long bridge.
I write slowly.
I write slowly.
The child plays.
The child plays.
She eats quietly.
She eats quietly.
He found a spoon.
He found a spoon.
We saw a wooden table.
We saw a wooden table.
I speak clearly.
I speak clearly.
The man works.
The man works.
She walks gently.
She walks gently.
He has a laptop.
He has a laptop.
They saw a crowded street.
They saw a crowded street.
I listen carefully.
I listen carefully.
The woman teaches.
The woman teaches.
She writes neatly.
She writes neatly.
He bought a ticket.
He bought a ticket.
We saw a noisy train.
We saw a noisy train.
I learn easily.
I learn easily.
The student listens.
The student listens.
She reads quickly.
She reads quickly.
He found a pencil.
He found a pencil.
They saw a quiet park.
They saw a quiet park.
I speak softly.
I speak softly.
The teacher talks.
The teacher talks.
She walks briskly.
She walks briskly.
He has a folder.
He has a folder.
We saw a clean desk.
We saw a clean desk.
I write clearly.
I write clearly.
The boy jumps.
The boy jumps.
She sings loudly.
She sings loudly.
He bought a toy.
He bought a toy.
They saw a funny clown.
They saw a funny clown.
I listen quietly.
I listen quietly.
The girl studies.
The girl studies.
She eats slowly.
She eats slowly.
He found a ruler.
He found a ruler.
We saw a colorful picture.
We saw a colorful picture.
I learn quickly.
I learn quickly.
The baby laughs.
The baby laughs.
She dances gracefully.
She dances gracefully.
He has a blanket.
He has a blanket.
They saw a soft pillow.
They saw a soft pillow.
I speak gently.
I speak gently.
The dog runs.
The dog runs.
She walks fast.
She walks fast.
He bought a leash.
He bought a leash.
We saw a friendly cat.
We saw a friendly cat.
I write neatly.
I write neatly.
The child sleeps.
The child sleeps.
She reads quietly.
She reads quietly.
He found a toy.
He found a toy.
They saw a warm bed.
They saw a warm bed.
I listened carefully.
I listened carefully.
The man smiles.
The man smiles.
She sings beautifully.
She sings beautifully.
He has a cup.
He has a cup.
We saw a clean kitchen.
We saw a clean kitchen.
I speak clearly.
I speak clearly.
Everyday words now hold purpose. Nouns, verbs, articles, adjectives, adverbs. Each a piece of meaning. With color, clarity, and life, you've taken your first step into joyful grammar. Let this be where learning begins.